I'm sorry, it's cold. We can't work now.
Let's see what you got cooking.
It's okay. It's gonna be weird belly rubs.
Got some good looking babies in there.
Babies coming.
Got a honeycomb effect of babies here just on one side. Look at all those kids. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 just on this one spot.
Oh my. On the one side?
On the one side. I haven't made it to the other
my
side
word.
yet. Look at
This
all
is-
those babies.
This is Finn's first breeding.
Oh my gosh.
So he's a fertile male.
Yes, he got the job done. I bet you're proud of Finn.
Mhm.
Good.
And this
Wow,
is
wow,
her
wow.
first litter too.
Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's check your other half. Just as full over there.
I'm gonna have a lot of babies, girlfriend. Babies.
They're gonna be minis.
Oh,
they're
yay.
cute.
Those are fun. So I'm seeing 9 or 10 babies.
Okay.
Is she one that you'd like to try to whelp at home with?
Yeah, I think she'll be fine. Her
Good.
mommy always does a great
Always
job.
did? Yeah. So something that will help you is